Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This tutorial is showing you how to make a font using Font Maker Self and Adobe Illustrator. I started off by taking type that I hand drew and then and then changing the levels because I used like a brush pen that was sort of gave it a rugged feel to give it like the classic calligraphy / graffiti text look. So you take that, then you change the level, press Command L, adjust it, save it into a document, and then import it into Illustrator. Then you vectorize it by going to Image Live Trace, vectorize, and then from there you can adjust it and put it into the different sections within the document. So I've decided to create a 26 square document of 700 by 700 pixels because this allows you to easily put into Font Maker Self to change it into a font. So then you open Font Maker Self, import all the letters in, as you can see here, and then from that export batch. Some of the letters don't match up, and if you have this problem you can group them by pressing Command G and then importing them in, or using the scissor tool to cut them from each other, and then deleting the area you don't want and then importing it in. If you make a mistake, click the trash button icon to delete the errored letter and then import the correct one. You can also adjust the X height and the diameter of the letters by adjusting it on the grid. It's good to keep all the letters uniform or to the same height. Some of them were smaller than others, so I've stretched the letters so they create a better font. If I was to do this again, I was working the Y and the Z as they're not very clear. However, it does give it that rustic feel. And then that's just me naming the letters. So it's very important to do them in alphabetical order because it makes it easier to name and to show what the font will look like before you make it. So I've named the type. Saved it, then imported it into font book by installing it after you save it. So it's best to save it to your desktop, import it into font book or install there, close the program, open the font, which is OTF file, and you can preview the font in this way as well. Then install, open the program back up again and start typing away. To show you what you can do with the font, I've decided to make a little demo of what I've made using it. So yeah, I just did a Merry Christmas for the festive season. Yeah, it is the reason for the season. So you simply go up to the font menu, select the font, and type away as necessary.